Hey everybody, Lou here. I want to talk to y'all quick about something. Something what I feel that I need to get out there. I need to be told straight with everybody. And this focuses on a lot of the people out there. There's a lot of us, people who stutter. Okay. I stutter. I've stuttered all my life. Okay. I'm 50 years old. And if you notice right now that I am not stuttering too well because my video setup, I have a monitor up front, and I look at the monitor instead of the lens. What they say in making YouTube videos, you don't need to do that. You need to focus on the audience. Well, I focus on me because hey, it works. Okay, in the in the stuttering realm, is called the mirror therapy. Okay? You look into a mirror and you talk into a mirror. You read into a mirror. Okay? Growing up, people used to think that I was nuts because I would stop and look into any mirror and go, "Hey, the name's Lou. How you doing? Yeah, you looking good today. Yeah." People used to look and go, "Yep, Lou's lost his mind." But hey, it was my therapy. It's what worked for me. Okay. And as you can see right now, I'm still not stuttering because I have fun with it. Okay. I goof off. Anybody who really knows me, that I'm not bothered by my stutter. I have fun with it. I goof off. Okay. I love to have fun. Okay. And I hear comments of other people say, well, when you're videoing, you don't seem to stutter. But then when we're talking like sure you will. Well, like I said, I'm looking at you, not at me. But yeah, it's I learned how to control my stutter through years of mistakes that I made, okay? People put their stutter right here in front of their face to remind themselves, hey, I stutter. I'm a stutterer. Uh, I'm going to stutter today. I'm going to say something. I'm going to stutter. No, 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 no. I put mine back here. I don't worry about it. Okay. My stutter is back here. Okay. It's not on my mind. Okay. I relax. I chill out. I'm cool. Like, like we used to say back in the 80s, I am so cool. If I had wooden legs, I would be a popsicle. Okay. That's how cool I am. Okay. I just let stuff flow off of me. Okay. I do not get my nerves all up and, just chill out. Okay. Be yourself, man. Just be yourself. I spent years trying to be somebody who I wasn't so I could hide my stutter. But I felt bad. I felt bad for me. I felt bad for everyone around me because they were not getting the real me. Okay. The real me, I'm only serious is when it's time to be serious. And right now is not a time to be serious. It's time to be having fun. Okay. I love to have fun. I love to be myself. Okay. Never let nobody try to make you be someone that you're not. Okay. If you're a stutterer, embrace who you are. Okay. I do. And if anybody doesn't want to be your friend because you stutter, that's their loss. That's their ignorance. Okay. I've got a lot of friends who know that I stutter. And as far as I know, it does not bother them. Okay? Because they know that I know a lot of jokes, especially a lot of jokes about stutters. And the funny thing is, only I can tell them they can't. Okay? But you just need to realize that you're in control of your life. You control your life. Who chooses what you want to eat every day? Who chooses what clothes you wear every day? Who chooses what TV show that you want to watch? You do. You don't have a group of people out there telling you this is what you need to wear, this is what you need to eat. No, you don't. Because you're in control of your own life. Why would you let your stutter control your life? I don't. I do not allow my stutter to control my life. I've been through, I've been through speech therapy. I've done the books. I've done all this stuff. The only thing that's gotten me is broke, okay? I wasted so much money on this stuff right here, okay? Be yourself. Don't let your stutter control you. Find humor in life, okay? You only got one life, okay? Live it, okay? Have fun with it. That's all I got to say about that. Okay? I hope this helps somebody. I hope it helps a lot of people. I hope it helps people who don't stutter understand what a lot of the stutterers go through. But for me, I just live my life, okay? Hi, my name's Lou, and I stutter. And it don't bother me one bit. Okay? So, until next time, be nice to everyone. Because you never know is when you're humbling one of God's angels. So next time, this is Lou. Peace out and God bless.